Have you ever found an incredible video, but immediately clicked away because you couldn't understand the language? You're not alone. Millions of amazing videos are uploaded every single day. Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French, Chinese, but most people never watch them. Not because they're bad, because they can't understand them. What if AI could instantly turn all of those videos into English, with perfectly synced English subtitles and even an English voice? Today, we're putting that to the test. Let's go! This is RecCloud AI Translate. Instead of translating videos line by line yourself, you simply upload your video, choose the language you want, and let the AI do the rest. Let's see if it actually works. I'm uploading this foreign language travel vlog. The speaker isn't saying a single word in English. First, drop the video into RecCloud AI Translate. Next, choose English as your target language. You can decide if you want subtitles, translated voice, or both. I'm selecting both. Now, click Translate. It translates everything into natural English in no time. After that, it automatically generates perfectly synchronized English subtitles. And finally, it creates an English voiceover that matches the timing of the original speaker. No editing timeline, no subtitle software, no copy and paste, no hiring translators. Everything happens automatically in one simple workflow. Now let's compare. Before, I couldn't understand a single sentence.
Estamos en la Puerta del Sol, en Sol. Este es el centro de Madrid, es la plaza principal de la ciudad y es un gran punto de encuentro para los amigos que quedan.
After, I can follow the entire story in English with synchronized subtitles and natural English audio. That's an incredible difference.
We are in Puerta del Sol, in Sol. This is the center of Madrid. It is the main square of the city, and it is a great meeting point for friends who meet up.
And if I want to make small adjustments, I can easily edit the subtitles before exporting. Once everything looks good, just click Export. Done. Think about everything you could translate: international interviews, travel documentaries, educational videos, business presentations, customer testimonials, family memories, or even your own YouTube videos. So people around the world can finally understand your content. Instead of creating multiple versions from scratch, you create one video and let AI localize it for different audiences. That's a huge time saver. The language barrier on the internet is disappearing, and AI is making global communication easier than ever. If you've been looking for an easy way to translate video audio into English, generate synchronized English subtitles, and create natural English voiceovers, RecCloud AI Translate is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more powerful AI tools that make content creation easier, and I'll see you in the next video.